I have amazing news for you guys that could change your living situation sooner than you thought. My lending team is now offering 4% interest rates on a conventional mortgage. Now, if you've been following the news, you know that national averages for interest rates right now are about 7%, which makes home buying a lot less affordable than it was during the COVID pandemic. But this 4% is bringing us back in time to what interest rates were early last year. So if you've been wanting to buy, but you've lost $500 or $700 in affordability, now is your time to jump in. And we are going to be educating you at the Homebuyer Seminar in Roselle at Columbia Bank next Friday, June 23rd. Please check out the flyer that I've included in this email for all information and to RSVP. But I know if you're getting this, you've spoken to me or you've been interested in the last 3 years about buying a home. So don't sit on the sidelines anymore. Don't miss your opportunity. Come out to our Homebuyer Seminar and hear about all the amazing incentives. In addition to the 4% interest rate, hear about all the incentives that Columbia Bank has to offer you. I cannot wait to educate you. Reach out to me with questions, and I hope to see you next Friday.